Hello everyone, my name is Marcos and today we're gonna be trying Nishman Facial Scrub. Stay tuned for more tips. Nishman Facial Scrub, you can find it in two different fragrances, Avocado and Apricot. It helps dead skin removal, exfoliation and a deep cleaning.
For real, you might as well give up now. Think you got a chance, but I don't see how. Got a real tight grip when I hold that crown. My life been good and bad and all around. The more things I lost, the more I found. One thing I taught myself to do, no matter the problem, refuse to lose. So, how you want it, man? You can choose. If you can't take the heat, don't light the fuse. See, I walk in slow and ignite the room. Like fire, everything I touch, I consume. I'm getting up while y'all just snooze. While you make breakfast, man, I'm on the move. I'm the first one in and the last one out.
Thank you for choosing Nishman products and stay tuned for more tips. See you next video. Bye bye.